This is Nivesh Khadka from Coding with Nivesh, and this is a very exciting episode. So what we're doing is we were creating a appointment HTML form. The appointment HTML form asks for minor details from users like name, address, location, the purpose of the appointment, or something like that. After that, the HTML form is submitted to the spreadsheet. And then we will use ChatGPT to create 10 pre-appointment questions, which is related to the message sent by our client. After that, the questions generated by those ChatGPT will be saved into the spreadsheet. And then we will create a Google form, which is consists of those questions and a block to answer. After the Google form is created, we will send the link to the response, not the form, but the response link to the user via Gmail using AppScript. And at the same time, we're also creating a Google Calendar event. And in that event, the appointment information is saved so that whenever we open our calendar, we know that a client of ours is requesting for an appointment. After that, when the user submits the response to that form, what we'll do is we will collect the latest response by that user and then create a Google document saving those informations using a Google template. After that Google document is created, then we will save the link to that Google document to its related calendar event, so that whenever we go to the Google Calendar, we can just click on that link and open up the document instead of going through the Google Drive and searching for those documents. We don't have to do that. So I will also like to mention you that whenever the Google Calendar event is created for the first time, which is after the appointment is submitted, it has the color of red color. But you will also like to know that there is an image button in the document, and that image has a link. So whenever we as an owner of the business click that link, what it does, it goes to the event which is related to that appointment and then changes the color of the Google Calendar event from red to green, signifying that we have reviewed the document, we are ready for the appointment with our client. And everything except for the reviewing of the Google Calendar event happens on automation. What I mean is, after the user submits the HTML form and until the point we actually review that Google document, everything in between, like creating GPT questions, creating Google forms, sending the Gmail, collecting the response, creating the Google document, everything is happening on automation, so that you would also know that we will, at the end of this project, we will create a trigger which will be set up in such a way that it will accommodate all these events one by one in a chronological order. So I hope you're excited, because I'm very excited. It will be worth your time. Okay, let's get started.